It's time to lose some weight. Here we go, a 10-minute follow along HIIT workout for that lower body. Let's go. Hey, what's going on? Coach Brian here with Criticalbench, and this is a 10-minute high-intensity interval-style weight loss workout that you're going to follow along with me. All you need to do is get a timer set up or look at the screen and get it in a position that you're going to be able to follow along with me. So the format is going to go, you're going to go a bunch of different blocks of exercises. You're going to go back and forth between the exercises, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. For instance, the first exercise block is running in place for 30 seconds, jumping jacks for 30 seconds, running in place for 30 seconds, jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Then you're going to get a little bit of rest period. So that's going to be the format. So take a look at this next screen here, and you're going to see the entire workout that we're going to start here in just a moment. All right, we're going to get started with that running in place. So get your timer set. Timer's on the screen. We're going to start here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Running in place. Halfway. Five seconds, we're going to jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Fifteen more seconds. 5 seconds, we're gonna go back to running. And run in place, 30 seconds. Ten more seconds, we got this. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds, then we're gonna rest. Fifteen more seconds. Keep rolling. All right, let's rest. 30 seconds while we're resting. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow along with us and staying up to date with all the cool workouts that we've got here on our channel. Next, we're going 30 seconds of mountain climbers with a squat jump right after that, bouncing back and forth. All right, 10 more seconds of recovery. So we got those mountain climbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Fifteen more seconds. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Squat jumps, here we go. Fifteen more. 10 seconds. We're gonna do one more set of each. All right, here we go, mountain climbers. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. and squat jumps. Five seconds. All right, 30 seconds to recover. You can't quit on me now because I have a free gift for you at the end of this workout. All right, let's see where we're at next. We've got, oh boy, who wrote this workout? In and out squat jumps, alternating reverse lunge, 30 seconds of each. Yeah, this is gonna suck. Tapping into that fat loss right now. Shedding off some unwanted weight around this area. All right, in and out jumps, let's go. Let's call it high intensity interval training for a reason. And this is only for lower body. So if you're wanting to get your lower body in shape, to get strong, slim, powerful legs, it takes work, it takes effort. All right, reverse lunge, here we go. But the cool thing is, where we're at right now, we're already more than halfway through. And after this, you can call it quits for the day. You can do a second round, or you can do one of our other workouts to add even more of a challenge. Let's keep moving though. 5 more seconds. All right. Oh boy, here we go. One more round of these two. Then we're into our 4th and final block of lower body training. Ah, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Here we go. If you were expecting a low intensity workout with longer rests, you probably should have searched for another video, because I don't mess around. I give you what I say I'm going to give you. 5 seconds. And let's recover for half a minute. Let's see what's next on the list. Not as bad. Frog jumps, flutter kicks. This is the last block, and then we are calling this thing done. Slow that breathing, 10 more seconds. Frog jumps, frog hops, whatever you want to call it. This is what they are. 3, 2, 1, here we go. After this, we're gonna flip on over, do some flutter kicks for the upper thighs. Good. Right on your back. Here we go. But this time, your quads are definitely gonna be burning. Heart rate's pumping. I don't know if that makes sense. Heart's pumping. Lungs are racing. No, that's wrong too. 10 seconds. Doesn't matter. I'm just gonna shut up and grind it out. Come on. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Frog hops. Let's do it. Come on. You wanted to lose some weight. You want to get rid of that unwanted belly fat. You want to trim down those legs. You got a double chin going on. You got to do high intensity workouts just like this. Almost there. Come on, guys. 5 seconds. Good. Flutter kicks. Hang in there. Hang in there. You've made it this far. Come on. Don't quit. A few more seconds. 10 seconds. Come on. All the way through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done. Hey, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed that workout. If you did, I need you to do a few things for me. First, subscribe to our channel. Click that red subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our latest uploads. Not only that, but drop us a comment below, like this video, share it with somebody. And like I mentioned in the beginning part of this video, this workout, I have a free gift for you. It's a glute training guide. It's called, guess it, 5-minute glute workout. In order to get this free workout, go underneath this video in the comment section. There's a pinned link. Click that, download that, and start training your glutes. I'm Coach Brian here with Critical Bench. Have an awesome day.